I've decided to do these videos just once a week where I can just explain to you at the end of the week what the profit and loss was as I go through this combine. I'm currently doing the combine for Top Step, and this week we're ending the week up $172.62, and we're gonna pull in the P&L here. So Monday we made $19.06. Tuesday was our worst day of the week. That's $486.92. This day we actually hit our max loss. Account was closed for the day, and just walked away and let my head clear. So I'm going to walk you through that trade here in just a little bit. Wednesday we made $222.02. Thursday we made $279.76, and today we made $158.70 for a total whopping $172.62 in profit this week. So not a huge gain, but we are trading the micros and keeping it very simple, keeping it very lighthearted, and just following my system and following my plan to get these funded accounts. So I wanted to go through the trade that we did on Tuesday, which is my max loss. So this was Tuesday's chart right here. I did not expect this sell-off here. This is an hourly chart here. Now I understood that we are in this range up here. So we're at the top of the range up here. But I did not expect that the pullback we were going to get this deep. And the reason why is because this in itself here is a strategy. It is called a PTR. A PTR is called a pattern that refreshes. What basically happens is you get a big move up like this, and the chart goes sideways in order to continue up right after that. Usually it goes into the 20 moving average and then explodes higher. This even had a little failed sell setup coming into down this area, hitting support and then continuing to move forward. Now this, coupled with a strong daily chart, it caught me by surprise. It really did. And what happened was I was here on the 5-minute chart, and I saw that we were breaking under these lows and breaking pretty aggressively. So I ended up like a smart guy. You see this level right here? This is considered support. And I tried to take a long here, and it stopped. And then almost immediately, trading like an idiot, I ended up getting in here again, taking another long, but this time giving it a little bit more room, thinking I'll give it more room just to see if this is going to pivot. I don't want to get shaken out just in case it goes. Well, from my first entry, it ended up dropping 200 points. So 2 mistakes for the day. I walked away, took my loss, and came back the following day, was able to make all of that back and then some. So next week, we're going to focus a little bit more on risk management and making sure that we don't have any big losing days. Nothing more than about $250, because I know I can get that back relatively easily. Once you get $400, $500 losses, it takes multiple days to get that back, and it brings a whole bunch of psychological issues if you're not steady the following day, because you could be trying to make that money back. So next week goal is to just stay consistent between $200 to $300 a week, and let's see if we can continue this flow. So right now, this account's sitting at $48,867.04. We're still under the $50,000 mark because we were testing out some strategies that just didn't fit our style, didn't fit our personality. I decided to go back to what I know, structure of charts, buy setups, sell setups, and looking at reversal times. Like I said last week, reversal times are absolutely the biggest thing for me. And I'll just go through this one trade right here, which was on the Russell 2000 that we took today. I took this trade directly at 11 o'clock right here. So 11 o'clock right here, I took this little long and just it popped straight up. I took my profit, and I was absolutely done for the day, ecstatic for it. So we'll see you next week. Everybody have a great weekend, and I will share with you everything that we did.